Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Pulse 5 speaker with any Android phone or Android tablet. First of all, you have to charge your speaker for at least 20-30 minutes before the pairing by using this USB-C port, and next just remember to disconnect any previously connected devices. Next, click once on this power button. As you can see, the speaker is turned on, and then you have to click once on this Bluetooth button. So right now it will turn to the pairing mode. The icon is blinking, and as you can see, it already pops this quick connection notification, but I'm going to show you how to do this step by step if you don't have this notification. So on your Android device, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings. You can do this by opening this quick notification icon. Go to the pair new device, and from available devices list, simply select your JBL Pulse 5 speaker. Accept the pairing. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. And next, to unlock more features of this speaker, you have to open the Play Store. So right now you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to get the JBL portable application. I'm talking about this app. So get it, click install. Okay, right now it is open. I mean, it's download, so let's open this application. Click to get started, accept all of these terms and all the notifications that will pop on your screen, all the permissions. Right now it is looking for our speaker, but we previously connect them by the standard boot settings, and thanks to this previously connection, we already can find the speaker on this application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.